Use a T25 screwdriver to remove one screw from each side of the guard plate. Use a T20 Torx bit to take out the two screws behind both side panels. Pop off the trim strips on both sides of the screen. Lock the spring clip by turning the knob with a big flat screwdriver while pulling the main unit out. Pull the head unit out. Unplug all the connectors behind the head unit. Undo the two screws on the CD player. Grab a flathead screwdriver and gently pry apart the head unit and CD player. Pull the CD player straight out. Unplug the ribbon cable connecting the head unit and CD player. Unplug the two ribbon cables on the main board. Undo the 3 screws on the motherboard. Screw our standoffs onto the motherboard. Use your pliers to snip an opening on the top right side of the head unit. Plug our ribbon cable into the motherboard. Watch the blue side of the ribbon cable, don't plug it in backwards. The original vehicle ribbon cable plugs into the two latches underneath the module. Plug our ribbon cable into the 2 clips on top of the module. Mind the blue edge of the ribbon cable, don't install it backwards. Connect the factory power wire to our power cable. Unplug the fiber optic cable from the factory power connector, then plug it into our power harness. Run the microphone wire out through the back. You can mount the mic off to the side of the steering wheel. Put back everything you took apart earlier, step by step.